Good morning everyone. Thank you for joining us on our channel. IDP Film, Paul and myself are actually going to a house today, which is quite an exciting day. It's -1 outside at the moment. Last night it was -5. We're actually going to a house to do a virtual tour photography shoot. Most of our work is Bollywood cinema these days, and we've got Amazon full factory build site with a 2-year contract, which is really exciting. So we've started out about 6 months ago, got 1.5 years left, 4 different sites. There's actually a new site, we've been told, coming up down near Southampton, about 20 miles north of Southampton, which is an MOD site which we're actually filming with the aerial drone, which is an exciting project. Today's a special day. Got to drop a car off at BMW to have some warranty work done. They're actually giving me a loan car, so I'll take you to BMW, one of my favourite dealerships in the West Midlands. If any of you do any filming, follow us on the channel, IDP Film and Mark Edwards Photography. That's my twin brother Paul and myself. It's 10 to 6 in the morning. I'm so tired. Just gonna have a cup of coffee now, wake up and pre-warm the car. It's obviously been freezing out there last night. So I hope you enjoy today and you follow us what we do. I'm just going to uncover the car now and get the pre-condition working on it. Take the cover off. The frost is pretty horrendous this morning. On the cover we've got about 1 inch of ice, so that's pretty hard frost last night. But we'll get it uncovered and get the pre-condition work in. Okay, we're actually en route to the house we've got to film. Paul's with me today. We've actually got on loan a BMW 750, which is nice car. So we just stopped over in Broadway. Actually Broadway's there. We're going to do some filming today. Hopefully it's going to stay pretty warm because it's been really -1, -2 degrees this morning. Very cold. And Paul will be with me. There he is there, just coming back. That's my brother Paul, who runs IDP Film, his company with 3 other people. So Paul, just come say hello.
Morning.
Very cold.
Another film job, another day at work, which we totally enjoy.
How cold is it, do you reckon now?
I reckon -6 today.
No, it's -1 I think on the car.
No, it's -6.
So yeah, Paul hasn't brought the 5-litre supercharged Range Rover today.
It doesn't go out in the winter.
Don't go in the salt, does it?
That's in the barn, all nice and clean.
So right, we'll talk later when we get to the house.
Have you seen the condition of this car? It was immaculate this morning.
It was. It was spotless when we left.
So of course we're going to jet wash it when we get back.
Yeah, well done, Paul. Right, talk later.
Day at work.